Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Chainlink. The market has recently exploded like 30% over the last couple of days. Does that mean that the buy signal has been confirmed in the market for Chainlink? Let's talk about it. First, yeah, I did get my last video correct. I was looking for Chainlink to dip to go lower in price, and from out the gate right here, let me zoom in closer. You guys can see that I was expecting the market to go lower, and the market maintained this buyer's pocket right here. Okay. So you can see how many times price came and tested this pocket of buying. And that's when we came through right here on November the 5th. Did our price prediction looking for the market to break that pocket of buying. But instead, those buyers were very reluctant into not allowing that to break. And that's when the market actually took off. So yeah, this prediction didn't work out at all. The next day, matter of fact, on the 6th of November, it hit our ultimate stop loss at 14.16%. So let's get rid of that. And the next thing we're going to get rid of, as always, is we come through and straighten up our chart, because as price moves, things change. We displayed where we saw selling, right? These are all pockets of selling in the market in Chainlink, and the demand has been so strong that the sellers could not even hold back those buyers in this particular range. They even didn't have enough power to hold back the buyers around $20. They still didn't have enough power to hold back the buyers around $21, $22. Now we're here around 26. And this is where we can see, hold on. Now maybe these sellers are going to come back in Chainlink to try to push down the price. Why would I say that? Well, this is the third day. It's been 3 days that the market in Chainlink has been hovering right there around $26. And it's being restricted. It's something is pushing and building a wall that is keeping these buyers at bay right now. The volume has definitely came through the last 3 days. So why isn't price continuing to break out? Why isn't the market moving higher? Because this is where increased selling is occurring. People are taking profit. And until those people are out the way, we have to expect that the market's going to continue to, if anything, bang its head up against this wall of selling, pocket of selling, until it's ready to break out, or the market's going to continue to go lower until it builds up another pocket of buying to where price can continue to try again to break above $26. That's where we're at today. So let's look at this real quick in the market in Chainlink. We're going to, just like we got rid of those pockets of selling, we're going to create pockets of buying now. This is where in the event that market price comes down, we want to see the market in Chainlink hold these levels. Okay. So you can see right here on the 330-minute chart that the market here in Chainlink is holding this pocket of buying right there. If that's the case, then this $26 level of selling is about to be erased, and the market's going to continue to shoot to the moon. Just that simple. Now you can see how the market is trying to do that right now. The buyers are trying to support price in this range of buying. Here it is on the 1 hour. Here it is on the 90-minute chart. 30-minute. I just want to show you how you can tell whether or not the market is buying or if the sellers are actually trying to push and crash the price down. So you can see right here, buyers are here. Then you can see it again, buyers are here, because we got this signal that the market was a sell, right? Just like we did on this one. But the buyers in this pocket stopped that from happening. Isn't that crazy? It stopped it from happening. The market was a sell. Price did go lower, but it stopped right there in the midst of the pocket. Lets us know that the demand is still there for Chainlink. So that the market currently, to me, I think that it's going to try to continue to go up. And that potential movement could come back to this last area of selling into the market in Chainlink, to where we may come back down. So we may not see the price go that far, but given what we've seen recently of how price has bounced right within this pocket of buying, we need to say, yeah, the market is still strong. Now, as we saw price hit these areas of selling right here, look at the volume down here. So that tells you that this is where people were trying to take profit in the market in Chainlink. Do it again back here on this price bar. Look at the volume. This was definitely a lot of selling. Someone really sold some link in the market right there. And the crazy part is that this amount of volume, you would expect the price to react, dramatically, swiftly, quickly, make a massive move down. But look what happened. That didn't really happen. The market just kind of meandered, dipped a little bit, and it's still trading within the range. So this had no impact on pushing price down in Chainlink. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. Given what we have here on the chart, we are going to anticipate the market in Chainlink to continue to go up. Okay, we're going to be bullish in Chainlink. Let me see if we can make another pocket of buying. Okay, so I like this area right here. This is where we're going to place our loss in the event that the sellers still holds back the buyers in the market in Chainlink. So our first target is going to be here, either within the low again or at the high of this seller's pocket. The high is $26.32, give or take. That will give us 8.85% there. We have to go all the way back here to the last time price was trading around $28, $30, and create the next pocket of selling. This is going to be our next target. This is an area right here, but I might just do that. Let me see. Yep, we'll keep it like that. So let's bring it back. Our next target is going to be up here at the second seller's pocket. $29 all the way up there to like 30. Give us 22.83%. If this market movement in the cryptocurrency space overall continues, yeah, we can see Chainlink hit $34, but we're not going to be that bullish yet. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.